Alrighty guys, we're here at Macy's at Apache Mall in Rochester. And we have here is a Dover. Yes. We have here is Dover. Not fuck you guys. Ugly mod.
Oh, I thought you were calling me out of there.
Here it is. Gosh. Yep. It's fun. It's good too. Here we go. Let's close the door to push one. It's like someone's walking underneath the elevator. What kind of phone do we have in here? 88 phone. I mean, come on. Really, Macy's? Really? Let's go. Oh, yeah. It's a nice cab, although I hate these buttons here. Let's close it out to one. Disgusting. And here we are one. That's a double track, actually. What the hell are those lanterns? I like the ones on the outside, but unfortunately, there goes the elevator with slamming doors. That's Magic Macy's. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.